If your document includes a lot of images, audio or video files, you can reduce its file size to make it easier to send, post or share. If you don't want to permanently change your original document, you can also save a copy of it with a smaller file size instead. Let me show you how to do that. First, open up the file you need to change, then choose File from the menu at the top of your screen and select Reduce File Size. In this window, you select the adjustments you want to make, and now I'll give you a short explanation about each of these terms. First one is Scale Down Large Images. It means that images are scaled to the resolution used in the document while preserving visual quality. For example, if you added a photo to your document and resize it to be smaller, selecting this option will remove the unused image data. Note, whether or not you select this tick box, if an image is in a format that can't be viewed on iPhone or iPad, it's automatically converted to the format that can. Next is Remove Trimmed Parts of movies and audio. Well, it does an obvious thing. If you trim the start or the end of the video or audio, the trimmed portions are deleted, so you will not be able to recover the full length of the video anymore, but it will lower the file size. Next we have here the movie formats. If you select most compatible H.264, it means that movies in your document will be converted to this format, which plays on most iOS and iPadOS devices and also Mac computers. Now we have the next one, High Efficiency, HEVC. This format option appears only if you are using macOS 10.13 and your Mac supports this hardware encoding. Movies in this format have the best quality at the smallest file size, but they can be played only on the devices with iOS 11 or iPadOS 13, and also Mac computers with macOS 10.13 or later. If you select Preserve Original Format, it means that it retains the current movie formats. In this case, any movies which are in formats incompatible with iOS or iPadOS are not optimized and therefore don't guarantee that they will play on any iOS or iPadOS devices. And the last pop-up menu is about movie quality. Here you can set the maximum resolution for movies. Movies with a resolution smaller than the maximum are not scaled up. If you insert a smaller resolution video, it will not get higher resolution. It works only the other way. Are you enjoying this video? I have created a complete mastering course with more than 100 video tutorials. Pages is really important app for every Mac user, and if you want to find out all the hidden features, this course will be a great guide for you. Of course, for more information you will find a link in the description, but if you are really interested in the course, let me know in the comments below and I will give you a coupon for the best possible price on the market, and also answer all of your questions. So now, click one of the following buttons to apply the adjustments, and here on the top you will see the size changing. So you will know if you are making any difference. Once you have it set up, you can choose to apply the settings to the original document with this button on the left, or you can select Reduce a Copy, which applies these settings to a copy of a document and it preserves the original one. After you press it, it will ask you to enter the name for the copy, and also you will choose the location where to save it. Note that it's actually possible to choose a combination of options that actually makes the file size larger. For example, if you choose higher resolution for your videos, so while reducing the file size, you might end up even larger, so keep an eye to the estimated size here on the top